This is not a factory. This is a place where passion meets precision, where fighters, tailors, and gym owners come together to create real martial arts clothing with purpose. Welcome to the Punch It Fabrication, handmade on the island of Koh Samui, in the south of Thailand, surrounded by palm trees, training rings, and the spirit of Muay Thai. We don't chase mass production. We don't follow fast fashion. Our focus is quality, comfort, and authenticity in every stitch, in every cut, in every design. While other brands count pieces, we count the hours put in by real people, by fighters who wear what they create, by tailors who know the difference between just another pair of shorts and gear that fits like a second skin. At Punch It, we train where we produce. Our gym is inside the same space as our production. You can come and train Muay Thai with us and watch your next outfit come to life just meters away. You choose the colors, the fit, the spirit behind it. We sew it. You wear it, fresh after training. Where else in the world can you experience that? This is what makes us different. This is not a trend. This is tradition, reimagined, exclusively handmade in Koh Samui by martial artists, for martial artists. Visit us, train with us, design with us, and wear Muay Thai the way it was meant to be.